Welcome to MuseTrade. MuseTrade is an AI-driven stock market prediction tool based on the sentiment of the Spotify daily top songs and trained over the new powerful AWS DL1 Habana instance. An interesting research explains how the daily hit songs listened by people leads to changes in the stock market. The sentiment of the lyrics of these top songs could be a representative of public mood that drives the buying behavior of investors. On the basis of this research, we plan to train a deep learning model to predict the DJIA index by analyzing the lyrics of the daily top Spotify songs. The daily top 200 songs data is obtained from Kaggle and remaining is scraped from the Spotify website. The lyrics of these songs were scraped from genius.com. In the dataset, the label column is classified into bearish and bullish classes. For model training, a semi-supervised learning technique and transformer-based model called BERT is used. It has encoder-decoder network that uses self-attention on the encoder side and attention on the decoder side. For each date, the lyrics of top 50 songs are considered and maximum number of words in one song's lyrics is taken as 250. This data is fed to the BERT model that generates a pooled output of hidden size 768. Then average pooling is performed for 50 songs for each day with relative weighting on the basis of number of streams. The classifier is a feed-forward neural network with a softmax function that classifies the sentiment for each day into bullish and bearish. The pre-trained BERT model is fine-tuned on the lyrics dataset with steps explained as before. Amazon EC2 DL1 instances powered by Gaudi accelerators from Habana are used for training deep learning model. These are cost-effective compared to GPU-based EC2 instance. To train the model using Gaudi accelerators, changes are made like using Gaudi HPU device, setting lazy mode to 1, and using fused ADAM optimizer over the ADAM optimizer so that only a few kernel launches will take place. Also, the CPU-based Habana data loader performs much better than the normal data loader. So these are the final results where our final training accuracy is around 60%. Now coming to the system's architecture. The lyric sentiment classifier model will be trained using DL1 instance with Habana Gaudi accelerators and reside in the S3 bucket. At the end of each day, AWS CloudWatch triggers the Lambda functions to scrape the top 200 songs from daily Spotify charts and their lyrics from Genius. Then it produces a message to the AWS SQS, which invokes another Lambda function to make predictions out of fetched data. This Lambda function utilizes the data and weights of the trained model from S3 bucket to predict the direction of the DJIA index for the next day. The predicted values get stored in the DynamoDB. The React app will then display a comparison chart of predicted DJIA index. So now, let us take a look at the demo of our web app, MuseTrade, where the user can see the predictions of market for the next day. When the user comes to the dashboard, he can see two comparison graphs. The blue is the actual DJIA index and the green is the bearish-bullish direction plotted for the date. Thus, the user can see prediction of stock market direction for the next date. So what does the future of MuseTrade look like? First, language support will be added by translating lyrics of non-English songs to English songs to achieve better accuracy. Next, dataset will be increased by adding new songs with time, and model will be retrained periodically using new songs for better prediction. Finally, model will be improved by accommodating negations and modifiers around the sentiment words in the lyrics. Thank you.